Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Geoguessr with friends. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to play Geoguessr with your friends here and maybe enjoy the website or platform together with them, well, there are a few things that you need to understand and you need to know. Now, as you can see, inside Geoguessr here, there are a lot of options here that include single player and even multiplayer. But what we're looking for specifically is going to be the party feature inside Geoguessr. So this is how you actually create a party and join with a code. Now, if you want to create the party yourself, you go and choose the party option here. So you go and click on party. And from here, you should be able to start creating your party. Now, obviously, in order for you to unlock or use the party feature inside Geoguessr, you need to have a pro plan. So at least the host or the person that is hosting the party should have a pro plan. So you can go and just click on unlock parties here and just basically create or subscribe to their pro plan. But if you are just joining someone, you go and click on join another party and just enter the code that you have right now. Alternatively, you could go and just choose join with code as well, and this will redirect you to the same page that we are seeing right now. And just basically just enter the code to join a specific party. Now, just remember, only the host needs to be the only one that needs to have the pro plan here is going to be the host. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.